Hello, in today's video I will show you how to remove the steering wheel on a Mercedes W116. Let's watch it now. We will start removing the star with a very fine screwdriver. What we'll do, we'll pry it here and we make a lever and we pull it out. That's it. Now we can remove the steering wheel as it is, but just to have a clearer view, we will remove the klaxon. For this, we just pull it like so. We pull everything around, and it comes off. Okay. Sometimes you have to pull here inside as well for this to disengage from here. Okay. Now we're gonna remove that center bolt with a ratchet number 22. Before to remove the steering wheel, I would advise you to take a permanent marker and to make a small mark inside. So you pull slightly the steering wheel and you make a mark between the center to the steering wheel, and like that when you'll pull it back you'll know exactly where it fits. Okay, as you can see, I've marked it from the center to the steering wheel. Now I can remove it. We have now got a steering wheel. As you have seen, it's very easy. I hope that you have liked the video and we'll see each other in the next one. Stay tuned. See ya.